Okay, so I'm going to be opening these ACME Trading Company 1/18 scale diecast collectible cars because they need to go out in the display cases for sale at the car collectible store that I'm now working at. So I thought, hey, why not record and upload a video of me opening up these diecast cars for all the online diecast enthusiasts. Let's go ahead and start getting them open. Okay, let's start off with this one. Ooh, let me move this far back. 1965 Ford Mustang AFX Harvey Ford Dyno Don. Huh. Check that out. One of 1,008 pieces. Okay. Let's carefully open these. Let's carefully pull this out. Oh. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me get some screwdrivers. Okay, so I found the right screwdriver, but it was such a pain in the ass to get it unscrewed. Like, it's like really small. Yeah, these things are really small. It's hard to get in there. So anyway, I finally got it out. And here is the car. Oh, it comes with a hood. Gotta look for that. Let's see if I can find the hood piece. Oh, it's right here. Here, let me get this. It's right in here. Yep. Okay, let's be careful. Here it is. Check that out. And let's carefully put it on here. Look at that. Fits like a glove. Check that out. So there we go. Okay, so there's one car opened up. Let's move on to the next one. This is the 1965 Dodge Coronet AWB Gold Rush. One of 696. Let's cut these pieces of tape open. Okay, this isn't on a, this one is not screwed in. Okay, let's pull this out. So check this one out. I don't know, I kind of want to be, oh, I see why, because of these things right here. Yeah, I want to be delicate with this thing. And look at that. Look at the window. Look at that. That's like clear plastic right there. Let me try to open this carefully. Look in there. Check that out. Oh, it's like magnetic. I think the doors are magnetic on this one. Look at the insane detail on this thing. Oh, look at that. It even says the production number in there. That's really cool. Let's carefully, let's open this up. Oh, look at this. Oh, check out the interior. Oh my God, they made the interior, the floor of the interior like in this special material. That is so neat. Okay, let's carefully close it. So yeah, that's the 1965 Dodge Coronet Gold Rush. Okay, you know, I'm thinking of moving these cars onto this cart right here because these cars are taking so much space. Hold on. There we go. This is where I'm going to put the cars I've opened up. Okay, the third one. The Malco Gasser 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 Drag Outlaws. There's product features, and this one is one of 480. Okay, let's get it open. Oh, this one's screwed. I'll have to unscrew this one. Okay, so apparently this one was a real pain in the ass to get unscrewed. This screwdriver wasn't good enough, and we had to use these ones. I need to get some extra help because these bitches were tight. So let's go ahead and get this out of here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, oh, look what it's got over here. Oh, that is so nice. Let's take a look at the car. Oh, wait, there's something in here. Let's get this out. Oh, it's extra spongy styrofoam inside of a plastic bag. Oh. I think those doors are magnetic too. Oh, there's something right here. Let me peel this off. There we go. Check this one out. Let's open the hood. Look at that. Look at how much detail is in there. Let's look around. Let's get a good view of the interior. Oh, it's got like, oh yeah, it has that special texture on like the floor of the interior. And It's got like rubber floor mats in there. They even put texture in these cars. That's so cool. Oh, look at that! You can look inside there. Look inside that door panel right there. Let me get the focus. Look at that! Look at that! It's got the Mustang badge on there. That is really, really cool. So much detail. That is insane. Oh, peel these off. Look at that, there's a spare tire, spare wheel in the back. Another view from that side. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. And it's even got the antenna on there. Oh, look at that. Look at the license plate. Look at that. That is really cool. Let's try to put these pieces on the back. Okay, I figured out how to put these wheelie bars on the back. You put it right here on the rear axle. So now, let's put this piece on here. Okay, I think I got it. You can see that piece it's kind of wobbly, but hey, it's meant to be displayed, not played with. Very neat. Oh, I also forgot to point out this thing also came with a gas cap that you can put in there if you don't want to have that piece on there. Okay, now I saved the best for last. Look at that. 1967 Chevrolet C30 ramp truck. Black custom. Features. This is one of 476. Let's get this open. Ooh. Is it screwed on? Yep. So I took the screws out. They were not tight like the last one. Let me take this part out first. There we go. There we go. Oh, look, it's got the front bumper. Look at that. Heartbeat of America. And let's carefully pull this out of here. Okay, is there anything else in here? Nope. Okay. So here is the truck. Oh, I can't tell if the front bumper broke off or you have to glue it on there or something. I don't think it snaps on there. Whoa. Okay. So I don't think the hood opens on this one. Look at how big this is. Oh, do these come out? I'm not sure. They probably do, but I won't mess with it. I don't want to break this thing. Neither of the doors open, but I can try to zoom in there and get a good view of the interior. Check that out. Okay, so I got this thing taken out. Well, let's see if I can, here, let's put these pieces on the back. This one. Whoa. There we go. How does that look? I'm not sure what to do with this bumper. I have a feeling that it broke off while it was being shipped or whatever. Might have to be glued on right there. Okay. So I decided to put all these cars back on the table because, well, they're obviously way too big to fit them all in that cart. But this is where I'm going to put the video to an end. I appreciate you for making this far into the video, and I hope that you found it enjoyable. And that's what I want to share with you. See you next time.